Welcome back, everybody. Hope everyone's doing well on this Thursday. So tonight we're just going to do a quick tutorial. I got like 3 videos to do for you guys tonight. So, of course, Farming Simulator here later on. But we're just going to do a quick tutorial. I want to teach you guys and show you guys how to use the Custom Themes Manager. Real quick, as you can see in the background there, I'm going to go ahead and minimize myself. As you can see in the background there, I already got a custom theme. This is free to download, and you can just add it to your themes. So basically, what you need to have is a jailbroken PS Vita first. That is your first step. If you don't have one, you can go to my description there, and you'll be able to see who you can actually go to that will teach you how to jailbreak your PS Vita. Okay, I personally have the 2000 model. I've had it since 2016 and absolutely love it now. So, especially since I can bring the content to you guys, so that's a good thing. But what I'm going to show you guys is how to get these custom themes, how to download and install it, and then how to set it as your theme. So let's go ahead and get into it. Once we open this up, I'm downloading other games in the background, so you'll see those pop up here too. So, so here's my Superman theme. Of course, you guys know by now, if you haven't watched the Tough Talk video of my Superman collection, you guys will know that I'm a Superman fan. So, but as you can see, all the bubbles are a little bit different with this theme. So a lot of different Supermans here. Really cool. So you got Brandon Routh's Superman there from the 2007 movie, I believe, Superman Returns. It was me. You'll see my settings and content manager. And of course, all your jailbroken apps are still the same. So, anyways, what I'm going to show you guys is the custom themes manager that you see right here. I'm going to show you guys now how to actually get that. Okay. So, like I said, you have to have a jailbroken PS Vita first. Just to kind of show you guys, every single one of these themes comes with their own sound. I have the sound actually turned down right now, so I'm going to turn it up for you guys. So you can kind of hear what it's going to do. Alright. And just for copyright reasons, we're not going to leave it turned up. So, but in the background, you probably can hear, I believe it's the Man of Steel soundtrack is what's actually playing there. So, anyways, let me show you guys how to do this. So you're going to go into Vita Deploy here. Once you actually have a jailbroken, and you probably should, I would recommend the 3.74 firmware, okay, jailbreak. You can go to anywhere on YouTube and look that up. I would recommend Blaine Locklair, who actually taught me how to jailbreak all my stuff, and he does a really great and thorough job. So just encourage you guys to go and check out his channel. The one that he did with the 3.74 firmware is, I think, back from May, so it's a few months old. So anyways, once you get into Vita Deploy, we're going to open that up there, and you're going to scroll down to App Downloader. Once you press X on that, you'll go down to where you see Custom Themes Manager. So what you're going to do is put a check mark, hit X on that, and you're going to scroll all the way back up to the top and hit download the selected apps. Okay. You'll be prompted, I think, a couple times. Are you sure you want to do this? You hit yes, X, and I think it will ask you a second time. You hit yes again, X, and it will download it. Once you have actually downloaded it successfully, I'm going to go ahead and uncheck this. Once you've, oh, there's another game. Sorry, I got my SD to Vita working last night thanks to my friend Relics. And So now I can download a lot more games. I got 64 gigabytes now instead of the 16 gigabyte memory card that I have for the PS Vita. Anyways, back to what we were discussing. So once you actually have it installed, you'll see it dancing around on your screen there. And of course, I already have it. So there's the Vita Deploy. So I'm sorry, not the Vita Deploy, the Custom Themes Manager. So you'll see it dance around, which is this one right here. We're going to open it up now, and I'll show you guys what we have in here. So what you want to do is go to, so that first top row there, you just use your D-pad and go over to the next one. You'll press X on that to open it up. It will connect. Now I tried using this a couple weeks ago and would not work for me. So the developer, which is Red Squirrel, I believe. Let's go back there. As you see on the top there, it says by Red Squirrel. He had something on his website to where he wasn't going to have this up and running until like September 1st. So it is now up and running, and as you can see, it's loading there for you. So in order to go to the next page, you'll see down at the bottom he has 269 pages. Now as of the other night, he only had 268 pages. So obviously there's more things getting added into this daily. So a lot of anime on here, but there's a lot of other cool things as well. So you'll hit R1 on your PS Vita to scroll to the next page, and you'll see down at the bottom I'm on page 2 of 269. So let's just go on. Let's say for the Red Bull theme there, all you do is press X on that if you want to download it. It kind of tells you, lets you know the people that have actually downloaded it. 83 valids, 11 warnings, and 2 errors. So this might not be one in particular you want to download, even though it's still not too bad. You got 83, I don't know if that's percent or people. No, it's not people, because you have 283 downloads. So it's got to be 83%, I would say. So we can go and try another one. Let's say A-Train. That's from the boys. So here we have 101 valids, 0 warnings, and 0 errors. So if I want to download that now, if you see down at the bottom, available commands, I would just hit the select button. Sorry, I hit circle to go back. I want to actually find one I'm going to download. We're going to try not to take too long. Okay, here's a good one. Let's say He-Man, the Masters of the Universe, okay? This one is still good. We have 101 valids, 0 warnings, and 0 errors, okay? So now if I want to download that, I just press the X. There's been 903 downloads of this, so that's pretty cool. So you press X, and there it starts actually downloading the custom themes zip file. So zip file is important because it shrinks it down so it's a minimal size. And then basically if you want to extract, it tells you what to do right there. In just a moment, it'll pop up right here, okay? So now down at the bottom, you'll press start to write the above themes, okay? Or you can press circle just to cancel it. So I'm going to go ahead and press start, and then boom, it's already there. So now we'll hit any button. We'll go ahead and close out of the Custom Themes Manager. You just press the PlayStation button there. And of course it's installing another game. I'm doing all these games in alphabetical order, so that's why they keep popping up there. So now we can close it out. So just grab at the right corner there. We're going to pull it down. And now what you're going to do to get to your themes, we're going to go into settings. Now my settings are where it says memory and settings there in the bottom left. And we're going to go to settings. And go ahead and start that. And now what you want to do is go down to theme and background. Open that up. You'll see that I already have the Superman there. So we're going to hit X on that. And boom, there's the new He-Man one that I just downloaded. So you'll be able to do the same thing and download whatever you want, change to whatever you want at any given time. So I'm just going to leave mine on Superman for right now, but there's all kinds of different themes that you guys can feel free to download it anytime. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it because I don't know if there's too many videos out there just yet that shows you and teaches you how to do that. So this is just a quick tutorial just so I can show you guys that. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below and let me know. But that's what the Custom Themes Manager application is actually all about. So, okay. Feel free to, like I said, leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, this tutorial. And just make sure that you guys have a jailbroken system and say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, because you guys will be rocking and rolling. So we'll see you guys in just a couple minutes on the farm. Stay tough.